Welcome to Visual Paradigm SysML V2 Studio Kickstart Guide. SysML V2 Studio Mastering Guide, Beyond Complexity. SysML V2 is a massive leap forward for systems engineering. But let's be honest, its shift to a fully textual notation has left many engineers feeling overwhelmed. Traditional modeling tools haven't made things easier. They're often clunky, desktop-bound, slow to update, or worse, unreliable. If you've ever felt intimidated by SysML V2 syntax or frustrated by tools that constantly throw false errors, you're definitely not alone. That's exactly why we built SysML V2 Studio at Visual Paradigm. It's a professional-grade SysML V2 environment that works seamlessly in your browser or on your desktop. You get the power of an advanced SysML V2 IDE, combined with intuitive, instant visualization that helps you understand your models at a glance. And unlike many editors that struggle with the complexity of the new standard, SysML V2 Studio delivers a level of stability and capability that's rare in today's market. Here are the 6 pillars that set us apart. Trustworthy validation with no false alarms. Many editors suffer from ghost errors, flagging valid SysML V2 code as incorrect. Our high-performance validation engine is different. If it reports an error, you can trust it's real, making it far easier to learn and master the language. Full standard compliance. We follow the official SysML V2 textual and graphical specifications. Your diagrams aren't just drawings, they're valid system models that conform to the standard. Web-based freedom. SysML V2 Studio runs entirely in your browser. No complex installations. No machine locking. You can access your projects anywhere, anytime. Interactive and editable diagrams. Visualization isn't just for viewing. Our diagrams are fully interactive and editable, so you can refine your model visually or through code, whichever fits your workflow. AI native acceleration. From generating complete views from a simple description to transforming existing models for new contexts, our AI assistant handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on design, not syntax. A comprehensive examples library. With hundreds of training topics and real industrial case studies, you have a complete SysML V2 knowledge base ready to guide you. SysML V2 is the future of systems engineering, and SysML V2 Studio is here to make that future accessible, powerful, and enjoyable. Let's take a look at the stability and power of the SysML V2 Studio workspace. To open the app, start by launching your web browser and visiting ai-toolbox.visual-paradigm.com/app/sysml-v2. Click Login with License, then enter your login ID and password. This is the SysML V2 Studio interface. On the left, you'll see the navigation hub. Since we haven't opened any SysML file yet, the right side of the workspace is currently empty. Let's load a verified example to explore how everything works. In the navigation hub, go to the Examples tab, then open Training. Select the 4th item, Part and Attribute Definitions, and then choose the first example, Vehicle Structure. The SysML code now appears in the editor, fully syntax highlighted, clean, and with no error underlines. Let's test the live synchronization between code and diagram. Click Create Editable Copy in the code pane. Now change the part name from Vehicle to My Vehicle. Watch the diagram update instantly. And notice that the Problems pane remains empty, confirming that the model is syntactically perfect according to the SysML V2 standard.